Tonight, we bring you the tragic story from Yellowstone National Park, where a baby bison's encounter with the park's dangerous environment has led to significant injuries and a hospital stay. This incident occurred on the north shore of Lake Yellowstone, highlighting drastic changes in the ecosystem that have forced the park's closure to protect visitors. Yellowstone National Park, America's first national park, established in 1872, is often called Wonderland for its stunning geothermal features. Located mainly in Wyoming, but also extending into Montana and Idaho, this park spans over 2 million acres and boasts over 10,000 mesmerizing geothermal features, including hypnotic hot springs, bubbling mud pots, billowing fumaroles, and impressive geysers. The park's hot springs are famous for their vibrant colors, created by underground volcanic activity. Temperatures in these pools can vary widely, with darker colors indicating warmer temperatures. Because of Yellowstone's high elevation, the water boils at higher temperatures, reaching up to 220 degrees, 104 degrees C. Mud pots in Yellowstone are another fascinating feature. They form when bacteria and acidic compounds break down rocks into clay, creating a thick, bubbling mud. Fumaroles, or steam vents, can reach temperatures up to 280 degrees Fahrenheit, 138 degrees C, emitting constant steam due to limited water in their system. Yellowstone Lake, the largest high-altitude lake in North America, covers 130 square miles and is perfect for boating, fishing, or soaking in the serene surroundings. The park also offers breathtaking trails through mountains, canyons, and lush forests. However, the geysers are the park's most captivating geothermal features. Yellowstone is home to about 500 of the world's 900 active geysers, including the famous Old Faithful, which erupts every 90 minutes, reaching heights up to 180 feet. Other geysers, like the perpetual jets and intermittent springs, provide spectacular displays for visitors. Despite its beauty, the park is currently closed due to the threats posed by the underlying supervolcano. This massive volcanic crater, known as a caldera, stretches about 45 miles in diameter. Although its last major eruption occurred thousands of years ago, recent signs indicate increased volcanic activity. Yellowstone's supervolcano lies in the highest category on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, VEI, making it one of the most dangerous volcanoes in the world. If it were to erupt, the consequences could be catastrophic, not only for the park but for the entire planet. Scientists have been monitoring the park closely, using seismographs and other devices to detect even the smallest earthquakes and ground tremors. The data collected helps them understand the magma movement beneath the surface and identify patterns that could be early signs of an eruption. Recent studies have shown an increase in tremors and ground swelling, raising concerns about an impending eruption. In response, the park authorities have decided to close Yellowstone to ensure visitor safety, while they continue to monitor and address these threats. While the closure of Yellowstone is disappointing, it's a necessary step to protect both visitors and the park's delicate ecosystem. Join us as we explore the wonders of Yellowstone and the reasons behind its closure. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link appearing on your screen to see our next video.